I'm Amy Nayve, Benilde Industrial Design alumna and founder of Pumapapel, the Philippines' trailblazing paper engineering studio. We help global brands transform their ideas into interactive paper experiences that delight, deliver impact, and drive emotional connection. 7 years ago, paper engineering barely existed in this country. To bring dimensional print design to the Philippines, I had to build the industry from scratch, pioneering a new creative field, adapting it to local infrastructure, and uplifting Filipino talent through community. With pop-up books, dimensional print advertising, large-scale installations, and more, we've delivered high-impact work for brands like Universal Robina, the ASEAN Center for Biodiversity, Ben & Ben, and Bulgari, often serving clients in the US and UK. Our work has been featured on national television and press, shining a spotlight on Filipino creativity. Beyond the business, we've nurtured a creative community. Through The Fold, our growing circle of artists, we empower underserved freelance creatives with international opportunities and ensure their recognition and fair compensation. This September, I'll speak at the Movable Book Society Conference in Missouri, bringing a pop-up souvenir co-created with 20 brilliant Filipino artists and proudly representing my country. I've led workshops and talks nationwide, most notably with the NCCA in Manila, Baler, and Cebu, to build awareness of this creative technology. We also launched our new internship and mentorship programs to prepare the next generation to enter this niche field. After completing the HIFI Fellowship and surpassing our crowdfunding goal by 110%, we're now developing affordable templates to help small businesses access this powerful technology. With our partner manufacturer, we're ready to scale. Pumapapel has always been about paper, people, and possibilities. We've pioneered a new industry, we've empowered our creative community. Now, we're building the tools to make paper engineering even more accessible, scalable, and affordable so that Filipino brands can truly stand out with dimensional print. Join me as our next chapter unfolds.